Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix missing contact names on WhatsApp. To fix that, there is some easy few solutions for that. The first one is to go to settings, scroll down and go to apps. After that, look for WhatsApp and be sure that for the first option, contacts is on full access, not limited access or none. And if this is not working, you can do the second option, which is to go to screen time. And after that, go and click on content and privacy restrictions. Scroll down until you find contacts and scroll down until you find WhatsApp. And also be sure here that it's set to full access to share all your contacts with WhatsApp. And if those options are not working, you have just to delete the app and install it again. And to delete the app, you have just to long press on it. After that, click on remove app and delete it and install it again. But be sure before deleting the app to back up your chats to not so you will not lose them. And of course, we have a video on our channel telling you about how to back up your data and how to restore it. And that's it. One of the solution will work for sure for you. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.